Hey fishers, do you have what it takes to land the big one? At ReelGear, we believe everyone has a fisherman inside of them waiting to be unleashed. That's why we've made it our mission to provide the best selection of premium fishing products to help you discover the fisherman within. From novice to pro, ReelGear is your ultimate destination for all things fishing. We offer a wide range of high-quality gear to suit every type of fisher and every budget. Whether you're looking for rods, reels, lures, lines, terminal tackle, or anything else in between, we've got you covered. So why choose ReelGear? Because we're not just another fishing store. We're a community of anglers dedicated to helping each other catch more fish and have fun doing it. We offer expert advice, helpful tips, and a whole lot of passion to help you take your fishing game to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned fisherman or just starting out, our extensive range of premium products is sure to elevate your fishing game. But what makes ReelGear the go-to destination for anglers? It's simple. We offer a vast selection of the best fishing rods, reels, lures, lines, and tackle, all from top brands. Our knowledgeable staff is passionate about fishing, and they're always on hand to offer expert advice and guidance. Plus, we have a comprehensive blog and resource center to help you become a more skilled fisherman. At ReelGear, we're committed to providing an unparalleled fishing experience. We believe that everyone should have access to the best gear, regardless of their skill level or budget. So whether you're looking to upgrade your gear, learn new techniques, or just get some advice from fellow anglers, come on over to ReelGear. We're here to help you become the best fisherman you can be. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for tips, tricks, and all the latest in fishing. With ReelGear, you'll be hooked up and ready to reel in your next big catch.